They said this is a judgment-free zone, right? Well, confession, sometimes I keep my slick backs on longer than I need to, packing on so much products. It's time for a good old wash day. The more I wear my natural hair out, the more that I realize how much it loves water. So before I go in with any shampoo or anything, I love to just give a quick good rinse, and y'all can see how much product is coming out. Like, listen, I told you it was packed in there. We're starting off using the Bond Maintenance Shampoo from Olaplex. What I love about this product is how easily I can comb through my hair with it. I feel that a lot of shampoos are so clarifying to the point where it's like it makes your hair dry and brittle, but baby, no, the slip that this has, like, your girl was shocked. I recently started using a scalp scrubber, and when I tell y'all, I be in that shower having a time on wash days. Like, it feels so good to get my scalp all fresh and clean. In my opinion, one round of this shampoo is good enough for me. Like, literally my hair already felt so clean when rinsing this out. And now it's time to go in with the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Now this, y'all, like, when I tell you, the slip on this, like, I thought the slip on the shampoo was good, but the slip on the conditioner is insane. It's crazy how a little bit of product goes such a long way. One of my key tests is really like how well am I able to comb my fingers through my hair. And I love how this brings so much life back to my curls. Like, seriously, I be looking out while I'm in the shower like, oh my gosh, like, okay, Olaplex, y'all did that. I've been using more heat on my hair lately than usual, so I decided to go in with a deep conditioner. This one is from Briogeo, and while it seemed promising at first, I'm not sure if that was the effects of the Olaplex, because y'all, when I tell you, I prefer my deep conditioners to have a little bit more slip, but I'm like, you know what, let me just try. I'll keep it on for 15 minutes, let's see what it gives, and here we go. So off rip, once I started rinsing it out, I kind of noticed that I'm like, wait a minute, like, there's not much slip here. Like, it kind of feels that I just used a shampoo, like a really one of those really clarifying shampoos I was talking about versus a deep conditioner. So that was already kind of a red flag. I was like, okay, I don't know, let me just keep on going. And then when it came time for detangling with my fingers, as y'all can see, what was once so easy for me to get through with my fingers was even hard to get through with a comb. This is probably a miss for me. I can see it working on maybe a different type of hair texture, but as someone who just prioritizes having that slip and everything, I do think that the Olaplex products worked better in this case for my needs.